Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Pulaski County, Illinois, northwestern Massac County, Illinois, west central Pope County, Illinois, southeastern Johnson County, Illinois, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Karnak, or 13 miles north of La Center, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tennis ball-size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Vienna, Karnak, Dixon Springs, New Columbia, Cypress, New Grand Chain, Belknap, and Simpson. This includes Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 12 and 28. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Johnson, Massac, Pope, and Pulaski.